Hello and welcome you all back to Pavithra.C.R YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be looking on to an introduction to a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. Past few months we have been looking on to a lecture series on different managerial topics and concepts. Previously we have discussed on human resource management, a video lecture series on human resource management, and we have discussed about what is HR practices, what is HRM. So we will be looking on to a uh, HR stream. Today we will be moving on to a new video lecture series which also comes under an HR stream. This is a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. So as a managerial student, it is most important for people to know about what is creativity is actually. It is important to have creative ideas, creative strategies, and to know we have to have an idea of making a better creative ideas and decision making to foster uh, our products or foster our business to the next level. So in this case, in this videos and upcoming video, we will be discussing on what is creativity, what is creative techniques, why creativity is most important, what is creative decision making, how does this creativity helps in fostering the business in different fields, and we will be also looking on to various techniques to foster creativity. What are the mental blocks that blocks the creativity of an individual, and we will be discussing about the most interesting case studies, and we will also be looking on to, as always, a design thinking based classroom that I have been following in my classes to my dear students. So welcoming you all to a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. And to introduce myself, as you all know, I am Pavithra, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Management Studies, PG, at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. So without any more delay, moving on to the introduction of what the series is actually looking on to, we will be moving on. So creativity and decision making. In this video, we will be looking more fully about what is creativity is actually. Creativity is something bringing a new out of the possible outcomes or possible solutions that we are having in our hands. So a creativity fosters or arises when a problems arises in an organization. So when a problem arises, there would be a n number of solutions that comes under our mind. It would be a more common solution that we would always be taking. Some solutions would be more repetitive solutions. These problems would arise every month or every week, or it would be a continuous problem, and the same kind of a solution would be taken place. But some cases that would be a new problem to an institution, whereas the institution or an organization wouldn't have faced this kind of problems priorly. So in this case, the organization should make a better decision making to overcome this new challenge and a new hurdle. In this case, it must make a creative idea. So it should be more unique, more innovative, and more effective. So a comparison between our competitors, or else a comparison between our prior projects, how we solved a prior project. So that kind of an approach would be more feasible for this kind of a problem, for the present problems. So we should make a complete analysis of making a better decision. So creative decision making, coming on to what is creative decision making. Creative decision making is actually an ability to consider all positive perspectives and all positive solutions to solve a problem in a new and innovative way. So creativity is not actually what we do all the time. It is something we are doing unique and different from the usual way. Rather than sticking on to the old conceptual ideas and practices followed by the organizations and institutions, thinking something new, bringing something new to the organization or a people or a stakeholders is called as in creativity. So it can establish by bringing on a creative decision making that can establish a better alternative or a new dimension to a product or a business. So this may help to foster and improve the organization's growth and development. So we will be looking on more about creativity and decision making. So the key attributes of creativity and decision making are firstly critical thinking, which is more important. Critical thinking is actually what in the sense thinking out of box, brainstorming ourselves and thinking out of box rather than usual thing, and curiosity to bring something new. So creativity comes into an action when having a curiosity to bring something new out of what usually is actually going on, and a better communication is most important for an effective creative implementation. Further, an organization's group and mutual consent and a problem solving approach. So these are all the key attributes of creativity and decision making. So creative decision making is actually a process of bringing the people, process and technology to the together. So bringing these three important characteristics of an organization, people, process and technology, bringing all of them together to achieve a new motive and a new process is a biggest challenge. And but that when an organization executes it properly, that is the place where the organization reaches its success, isn't it? Do you people agree with it? So that is about a small introduction on what is creativity and what is creative decision making is actually, but this doesn't stops here. In the upcoming videos, we would definitely see more important topics and we will be discussing more important ideas on creativity. A small agenda of what the series is going to cover. So in the first series we will be looking on to what is creativity and why it is important, so that is what we have discussed. And secondly, we will be looking on to creativity in different fields, how creativity helps in different fields, why creativity is more important in different fields and different areas, and how it is implemented in different fields. We will be looking on to some examples of creativity. And next we will be discussing on different types of creativity. That would be a more another interesting topic, where this subject is not something about I am lecturing with you people and you people are silently listening to what is it. It is actually, it is not any theoretical subject. It is something an interactive subject. Rather than teaching you something, I would like to interact with you people and bring forward my ideas on creativity to you people, and you people could also give me some ideas and give me some suggestions on this topic that you wish in the comment boxes. And next we will be coming on back to the topic. We will be discussing about 5 stages of creativity and importance of creativity and innovation in HRM. What is creativity, what is innovation, and we will be looking on to a most important topic, that is the factors that stimulate creativity in an organization. And the most importantly, next we would be looking on to the mental blocks and the steps to overcome those blocks. And next we would be looking on to a interesting case study of Apple Incorporation. And finally, as always, I would be sharing with you all about my design thinking based classroom, how I take my dear students uh, towards the topic, how interactive would the classes be, and how my dear students do enjoy these kinds of classes. Everything will be discussed in the final video. So for more interesting and more updated topics and to know more interesting and more ideas on managerial topics, do continuously watch Pavithra.C.R YouTube channel, and you would definitely get more ideas on managerial topics. And as always, this would be an interactive session. You could also give me ideas in the comment section. on different topics. Thank you and see you all in the next video. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Thank you.